We took the Mirrors Trail around the lake. And this is on your way to the Hayden Trail. This must have been from the floods. Crazy how much power water has to move all that. This is the eastern end of the Dorado mine. It's one of the San Juan's larger mines. It contains nearly 100 miles of underground tunnels. The western end of the mine complex is at Pandora, about 2 miles from Telluride. The Dorado mine produced until the 1980s, and reclamation work is presently underway. Haviland Lake, north of Durango. Beautiful campground. We got lucky again. There were, 5 spots open. And we snagged this one. It's good for solar. Probably be hot during the day, but it's not that hot today. Haviland Lake. Our second voyage. She's motoring against the wind. The screens are up. Magnets. Not getting any solar here, but that's because the sun went behind the trees, but we love the trees, so no complaints there. We got plenty of power. It's dinner time. Downtown Durango. Now, Treasure Falls, was that the smaller one? No, that's just a smaller overlook. From the parking, you can see it. We're going up to the top. Woo! Feel the mist? Oh yeah. Lots of dinosaurs in Canyon City. The beautiful clock tower here in Canyon City. Lots of donors on all the bricks. We're enjoying some lunch at Riverside Park here in Canyon City. Very nice. Royal Gorge Bridge and Park. Warm day. Cool off in the mist. To the bridge. And there's the Royal Gorge Railroad.
There's another awesome song here on the bridge. Please do not leave your dog in the car.